In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress site safely and efficiently. We'll walk through the steps to create a complete backup of both your WordPress files and database, ensuring that your site can be quickly restored if anything goes wrong in the future. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open File Explorer on your computer. Once you have it open, navigate to the following location: c.xampp.htdoc.e/. Within this directory, you'll see folders corresponding to different websites you might be hosting on your local server. Since we are backing up a WordPress site, find the folder associated with your site. It might be named WordPress, My Blog, or something else, depending on what you chose when setting it up. Once you've located the correct folder, the next step is to copy the entire folder containing your WordPress files. It's essential to include everything to ensure a complete backup. After copying the folder, navigate to a safe backup location where you can paste it. You have a few options for this. One secure option is to use an external drive. Another could be a folder on your computer specifically dedicated to backups, such as d/backups/WordPress backup 2025-06-12. Additionally, cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or OneDrive are excellent choices for storing backups, as they offer accessibility and security. Wherever you decide to store the backup, make sure it's a location you trust and can easily access when needed. Next, we're going to back up your WordPress database, which is equally crucial. This database includes all your posts, pages, user information, and site settings, essentially all the content and configurations that make your site unique. To begin this process, open your browser and navigate to http://localhost/phemyadmin. This tool allows you to interact with your site's databases. In the phemyadmin interface, you'll see a list of databases on the left side. Locate and click on the name of your WordPress database, which might be something like WordPress, WP Local, or whatever custom name you've assigned. Once you've selected the correct database, look towards the top of the interface and click on the Export tab. For the export settings, you'll want to select the Quick Export method. This method is straightforward and perfect for our needs. Next, choose SQL as the format for the export file. After making these selections, click on Go. Your browser will then download a file named something like wordpress.sql, which contains all your database information. Finally, save this .sql file in the same location where you've already backed up your WordPress files. Keeping everything together makes it much easier to find and restore your backups later on. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now backed up securely in both file and database forms. This thorough backup process will give you peace of mind knowing that your site can be restored to its full functionality should you face any issues down the line. Thanks for following along, and be sure to keep your backups updated regularly.